Hi, Natalie from Sunscreen Med Spa. Today we are going to do a procedure for Morpheus for one of my clients who concerned about the acne scar. At the same time, we are going to add some skin booster, Klardie, and using the target core. So this is the Morpheus tip, and that's 24. And this is one-time use. So I'm going to start down here. You ready? Right here. Okay, 3, 2, 1. So this is a jawline right here. We're gonna bring up a little bit. How's the pain?
Oh, it's not too bad.
Not too bad? Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna do the nose, okay? It's really help you with the pores. Target core is a device that turns the solution into a crystal. So, and then they shoot it out like I would think like a little gun. So it's very sharp. So it goes right into your skin. So we are talking about Klardie today. Today we are going to use the ruby. And why we choosing ruby for my client? She is concerned about acne scarring and also active acne. Ready? How does that feel? Is that great? That's awesome. All right, next. So we still have a little bit left, and when you hear beep beep beep, this party is over. Okay, so enjoy it. Okay, ready? So I'm focused on the area that you can turn. You hear that beep beep? You have 30 more seconds to enjoy. Okay, Gabby, you can take a look at your skin. It's really gorgeous. Here you go, Gabby. So I hope you like it. So here, how you look.
Ooh, it looks so smooth. Oh, nice. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So how do you feel when the thing coming out?
The air?
The air.
It felt really nice. It felt cooling and relaxing.
Feel cooling and relaxing. You're gonna last and wish forever,
I
huh?
know.
That's only a little container.
Especially right after. It felt really good.
You're really good. Feel very. How do you feel like? Tell people how do you feel.
It was refreshing. After the micro needling or the Morpheus. It definitely soothed my skin more.
It's like a little, a little. What does it say? A little pamper for you?
Pamper, yeah.
Like pampering?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So I think all the acne skin, for you, because you guys is young, I think all of these, you're going to get the best result ever.
Thank you.
All right.